Fiji's blue lagoons are not just stunning, they're your playground for adventure. Jet ski safaris let you skim across the water, discovering secluded beaches and vibrant marine life. Imagine dolphins playing in your wake as you race the sun-kissed waves. And if you're craving more, Blue Lagoon Cruises' Fiji deals offer scuba diving and snorkeling in these isolated paradises. Flyboarding with Entice Action Sports takes you sky-high above the Fijian waters. A certified instructor ensures your safety as you experience the thrill of flight, with the chance to perform tricks against a backdrop of tropical beauty. Then there's parasailing, where you soar over the idyllic seascape, embracing the serenity of Fiji from above. Whether solo or with a partner, the blend of excitement and tranquility is unforgettable. Fiji's culture is as rich as its landscapes. Essence Group Fiji offers a sensory journey through their organic skincare range, rooted in local traditions. You'll learn about the impact of Nama sea grapes on local women and enjoy a traditional Nama salad, all while indulging in a therapeutic foot ritual. Step into the Fiji Culture Village for a deeper dive into Fijian life. Engage with locals, partake in a kava ceremony, and feel the rhythm of the meek dance. It's an authentic experience that connects you to the heart of Fiji. For an eco-friendly adventure, EcoTrax Fiji takes you along old sugarcane railways on electric bikes. Glide through plantations, encounter wildlife, and connect with the land's history. It's a journey that's as gentle on the environment as it is invigorating for the soul. Quad ATV guided tours offer an off-road thrill through Fiji's diverse landscapes. Under expert guidance, you'll navigate jungles and beaches, discovering cultural treasures along the way. It's an adrenaline rush with a side of scenic beauty. Discover Fiji Tours combines nature and culture for a comprehensive adventure. From river rafting to village visits, you'll connect with Fiji's environment and its people in a sustainable, memorable way. And for the trekkers, Fiji's untouched landscapes await. Trek through rainforests, rugged terrains, and past hidden waterfalls. With trails for all levels, you're sure to find a path that not only challenges but also enchants you with Fiji's natural wonders. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.